Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start utilizing to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just getting through, I like that you have your click-to-call phone number here that surely helps with quick conversions. You have the nice pictures and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and the number of keywords on a homepage. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for particular products or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end and you realize some of these tips, will help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 8 backlinks coming from 5 preferred domains or website. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linked into another website with an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of our site from others, which Google used to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 286 keywords and getting about 55 hits to your website a month. Let's take a look at your keywords. They are great local buy intent keywords, and those are the kind of the ones that you inquiry about. The local buy intent keywords target the location and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly utilize them for any location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed the mechanic in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area, and down here is what you call organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appear near the top of the results, it's more likely that the researcher interacted with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is in your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. These are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have some images and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 1.6k hits to their website a month. They have 3.3k backlinks coming from 134 referring domains or websites. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. Looks like people are searching for their business name in particular, and they have a bit of local buy intent keywords. Those are all the keywords you can analyze in different areas that you service. In conclusion, there is a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now implement this strategy. There are a few ways you can start climbing Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.